Welcome to the EPCB boiler shipping site. We are pleased to show you our latest production, the Biomass Chain Grate Thermal Oil Boiler. At EPCB, we are dedicated to providing efficient and environmentally friendly thermal energy solutions. This Biomass Chain Grate Thermal Oil Boiler is made using the most advanced technology and highest quality materials, featuring high efficiency and precise temperature control, making it particularly suitable for industrial processes that require strict temperature regulation. The chain grate has a simple and durable structure, suitable for the stable combustion of various biomass fuels. Its smooth operation ensures more complete fuel combustion, effectively reducing ash accumulation and coking issues. The expansion tank is used to receive and store the expanded portion of thermal oil due to temperature rise during heating. The oil storage tank holds the thermal oil in the system, particularly when the system is shut down, accommodating the thermal oil in the circulation system. Made from high-quality materials and advanced design, the chimney ensures efficient emission and reduces heat loss. It vents the flue gases produced during combustion, utilizing its height and natural draft to ensure smooth gas discharge. After all inspections are completed, the boiler will be professionally packaged to ensure it is not damaged during transportation. Our team meticulously packs each component to ensure safe delivery to the customer. Today, this boiler will be shipped to a textile factory, providing a stable and uniform high-temperature heat source to enhance production efficiency and product quality. Thank you for choosing EPCB. We will continue to strive to provide you with high-quality products and services.